Hey there! Want to add a cool carousel to your site with aBlocks? It's super easy. Let's get started. First, open the page where you want it, then search for carousel, and insert the aBlocks carousel block. Now, let's add images to your carousel. Select the image block inside the carousel, upload your first image, and click the arrow button to move to the next slide. Repeat the process, upload another image, click the arrow, and keep going until all your carousel images are set. Simple, right? Your stunning carousel is almost ready. Let's customize your carousel. Start by adding a border radius under the General tab to give your images rounded corners for a sleek look. Next, head to the carousel content settings. Choose an effect like slide for smooth transitions. Enable reverse direction if you want the carousel to move backward. Set slides per view to control how many images display at once. Turn on loop for endless scrolling. Adjust the speed, try 800 milliseconds for a balanced pace. Enable grab cursor for a hand icon during drag. Back in the style section, let's refine your carousel. At the carousel height. And choose vertical alignment, like center, for a polished look. Now, let's tweak the pagination settings in the Content tab. Turn on pagination to show navigation dots. And enable pagination clickable for interactive scrolling. Perfect. Now, let's style the pagination in the Style tab. Set the color, try black for a bold look. Choose an active color, like black, for highlighted dots. Great. Let's add autoplay to your carousel. Head to the autoplay section. Turn on autoplay, enable autoplay reverse if needed. Set autoplay delay, and activate pause on hover, smooth. Next, customize the navigation section for your carousel as per your need. Once you've finished customizing, click Save on your page. Now, admire your beautifully created carousel, ready to shine and impress your visitors. Amazing! Looking for a quick, professional carousel? Start by inserting a container block onto your page. Then, click on the Import Template section, browse through a wide variety of stunning pre-made carousel designs. Select your favorite, insert it into your page, and tweak the colors, layout, or content to perfectly match your style. And that's it. With aBlocks, crafting a beautiful, eye-catching carousel is fast, easy, and fun. Perfect for making your website stand out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to try it out and elevate your design today. Subscribe for more tips, and we'll see you in the next video.